All right, so this is actually a lot cooler than I thought it would be. It's got all kinds of different settings on here. It doesn't really come with directions, so you kind of just gotta figure it out. So here, this is of course your power button. So it has 3 different like color temperature selectors, right? So it's gonna be your dim light, that's gonna be your extra bright, your cool, and this is gonna be the warm lighting. And then it also has a nighttime mode, which is this little star and then moon button. And it goes like super low, like that more warmth, you know, kind of nighttime feel. So, and then, wait, let's go back to the original. So on each setting, there's this little plus and minus button on here. So on each setting you can go and there's 5 different levels to that particular color temperature. So on this one's gonna be your bright one. So it's gonna go super bright. Woo! Yeah. And then if you want, you can lower it down. So then we're gonna go to this more warm setting. And you can lighten that up, see, not as bright. And then on the 3rd setting, this is that more warmy feel, not so bright and in your eyes. Excuse me. And then over here, there's this little clock button. So this is a timer actually, and these are, this is like where you can see what time, like it has pre-settings, right? So it's a half an hour, hour and a half, and then 2 hours. So when you push this little light panel is gonna indicate which one it is. So the light's gonna go off in a half an hour. An hour and a half, and then 2 hours. And then just push it again if you don't want it on. Yeah, super nifty. And then it has this little thing right here where it's like a 360 kind of movement on here. You can, this little guy right here, you can move it any way you want. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, pretty nifty little find here. I'm impressed.
Okay, this is a review of the desk lamp. To power on, turn it like that. It has 3 different colors. You can dim it, I believe 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, my bad. And if you want to do a really quick dim, you can hit the night light. There is a timer on it to turn it off after a certain amount of time. And it is very bendy with one of those metal inside things that it'll stay put. So you can certainly bend it to your needs. It is really light on the base though. This is crazy light.